So students, in this video I'll explain you about merge sort. Okay, so merge sort is also a sorting algorithm where it will sort an unsorted list of elements into a sorted list. Okay, so here we will say merge sort is also a divide and conquer algorithm. That means it will divide an array into different into sublist, and after comparing the elements and making into a sorted order, and again comparing the elements, again it will merge these. That means it will combine these sublists into a single sorted sublist. That's why we call merge sort is also a divide and conquer algorithm. So merge sort also, the main idea, the basic thing in merge sort is here it will also, the merge sort divides or partition a merge sort or break an array into sublist or subarray, and each sublist is again divided further sublist until a list contains a single element. Okay, that means here in merge sort the main idea is breaking an array or a list into sublist recursively until a list contains only single element. Okay, that is called, that we will perform in merge sort. Okay, after merging, after that means after dividing all the elements into a sublist which contains a single element, then we compare the elements and merge those sublists into a single or main sorted list. This is the main idea of this merge sort. Okay, so the main idea of the merge sort is to divide a list of elements into sublists recursively until a sublist contains a single or a single element in the list. Okay, then it compare adjacent elements and next adjacent list sublist and merge those sublist into a single sorted list. That is the main idea of merge sort. So how it will perform? It will divide an unsorted list into n sublist. N, why we are saying here n sublist? In a list if we have 8 elements, so that means here the number of elements are 8, n equal to 8. If we say n equal to 8, it has to divide the unsorted list into 8 sublists where each sublist contain only single element. That is the first step. Okay, and in the next step, compare the adjacent pairs. Okay, compare the first sublist with second sublist. Okay, then you merge first and second. Okay, in the sorted order. Okay, then if you have 8 elements, then it will make 4 sublists. Okay, with 2 sublists with 2 elements. Okay, now that means you will get, if number of elements are 8, then you will get 4 sublists. Why? Because every first element is comparing with adjacent element. Suppose if you take 0 1 compare, 2 3 compare, 4 5 compare, 6 7 compare, this will make 4 sublists where each sublist contains 2 elements. Okay, we will repeat this process until we get single sorted list. Okay, so this is the procedure, this is the main algorithm of the main algorithm or procedure to divide that is to merge the elements into the single sorted list. Okay, so we are saying After dividing into n sublists, we will start merging the list. So when we are sorting the merging the list, what we are saying, compare each sublist with the adjacent sublist. Okay, how we will compare? The first sublist should compare with the adjacent sublist. So first element in the sublist should compare with the next element in the sublist and put the element in a correct position. If it is ascending order, based on the ascending and descending order. Okay, like this procedure should be continued until we get a single sorted sublist and all the sublists are combined into a single sorted list. Okay, this is the main idea of the merge sort. Okay, I will explain same thing with an example. Okay, now you see. Okay, now this is an unsorted array. Okay, so this is an unsorted array where the elements are number of elements are 8. Now the size of the array is 7. Okay, so what we have to do, we have, in order to arrange these unsorted list of elements into a sorted list, we have to divide or break this list into sublist. So first what we are doing, how we make a sublist? First, the size by 2. Okay, here the size, that means, or 0 plus the size n minus 1 means here 7. 0 plus 7 by 2, that you get the value 3. So you divide this into first 2 sublists. So that means from where up to 0, 1, 2, here you will make the first sublist. Okay, this is one sublist A, another sublist B. Okay, so after partitioning or breaking this sublist, we get the elements like this. Okay, first part of the sublist, first part of the array, one sublist, second part of the array, another sublist. Okay, now again then what we have to do, we have to partition these into sublists until we get a sublist with only one element or a singleton sublist or array list. Okay, now in the next, again we'll continue the same process, repeat the same procedure until we get a single element in the list. Okay, now again we have to partition this sublist in sublist into further sublist and again this also into sublist. So what I am doing, 0, this is the 0 plus 3. Okay, 0 plus 3 by 2, what you will get? 1. Okay, next. So what we will do, then we will get the values, we will divide like this, 1. Okay, so this is one sublist, this is another sublist. So after that you will get like this, 13, 12, 24, 29. Okay, now again you divide this. Okay, how? 0 plus 1 by 2, 0.5, 22 plus 3, 2. So that means here you have to partition again. Okay, here. Okay, then you will get a singleton list, 13, 12. This is one sublist, this is one sublist, this is one another sublist, the 4 sublists we have get. Okay, now again control goes here, next sublist. Okay, sublist 2. Now again this sublist has to divided into further sublist. So what you will do here, the position is 4. 4 plus 7 by 2, 5. That means here we have to make a sublist. Now we will get like this. Again 4 plus 5, 5 by 2, 4. Here one sublist. Again one sublist. So here we will get like this. Now this is one sublist, one sublist. Okay, now we have, if we have n elements in an array, how many sublists we will get? N sublists we have to partition. Okay, now finish, the partition is completed, first part. And second part, we have to merge them. How we will merge? By comparing adjacent list and put the elements in the sorted order. Okay, so first the adjacent element of 13 is 12. We'll compare these two. Again we'll make a subarray or sublist like this. Okay, I'll compare 13 and 12. 12 is smaller. Put 12 in the new sublist. Next 13. Okay, this is sublist now. Okay, next compare 24 9, which is the smaller 9. Put in the list. Again this is also sublist. Next 24. Next you compare adjacent elements. 18 smaller. Put here in the list. Next 34. Same way 41 43. No in the order. So we will put same in the subarray. Okay, now again we get 4 sublists, n by 2 sublist. Now what we have to do again next? Again we have to merge this. Okay, adjacent. We have to compare this sublist with the adjacent list and this sublist with the adjacent list. Okay, and we will put them in a again a new sublist up to when we get a single sorted array, okay, or single sorted list. Okay, now I am comparing 12. This is adjacent list. This now I am an adjacent list of first one. Now I will comparing the first element in the first list with the next adjacent elements. Okay, so I will compare 12 with 9. 9 is smaller, so I'll put 9. This is a new sublist again 9. Okay, next finish 9. Compare 12 with 24. 12 is smaller. Put 12 in the new sublist. Okay. Now compare 12 also finished. Now compare 13 with 24. 13 is smaller. Put in the list. The remaining 24. Again we merge these two sublists by comparing the with the adjacent elements. Now next what we have? Next sublist adjacent. Next adjacent. What are them? 18. This is adjacent list of this is 41 and 43. Now compare 18 with 41. 18 is smaller. Put in the new sublist. Next compare, finish 18. Next 34. 34 compare with 41. Smaller. Put 34 here. Next compare, finish. Remaining list as it is will put in the new sublist. Next we have two sublists. Now these are the adjacent sublists. We have to compare elements of the first sublist with the second one. So I am comparing 9. Now we will get a new sorted order where the size number of elements should be 8. Then we will say the list is the sorted, we get a main or final sorted list. Okay. Now you compare first sublist with the second sublist. Okay. Compare 9 with 18. Okay. 9 with 18. So which is smaller? 9. Put in the list. Put in the list. Okay. Now you compare, finish 9. 12. 12 with 18. Okay. 12 is smaller. Put in the list. Okay. Now you compare 13 with 41. 13 is smaller. Put in the list. Compare 24 with 18. 18 is smaller. Put in the list. Compare 24 with 34. 24 is smaller. Put in the list. So first subarray is list is completed. The remaining elements are 34. Put in the list 41 and 43. This is called main sorted list. We have merged all these n sublists with single element to a single sorted list. Okay, this is the idea of merge sort. In merge sort, first we will divide and given list of elements and array into sublists which contain sublist which has only single element. Okay, then again what we have to do, compare with the adjacent sublist and again you start merging until we get a single sorted sublist. This is the idea of merge sort. Okay, so here this will say the merge sort is a constant merge sort. Why? Because how many elements we have, it will divide, it has to take a constant time. That means it has to divide until it get a single sublist. Okay, that's why we call the time taken, that means this is called a stable sorted algorithm. Okay, stable, first we have to divide how the arrangement of elements in an array. We have to divide into sorted list, into two sublists again, until we get a singleton list with single element, and then compare the adjacent elements until we will get a final main single sorted array. That's why, so it will take, but it will take more time to copy all these sorted elements into temporary array. Okay, what we are doing, we are actually, this is the array, we are copying this into temporary array, into two sublists. These are temporary, again dividing and storing in them. Again this is temporary, this finish again, like that. Again when we are merging, again we need temporary. So it may take more space to make the unsorted list into a sorted list. This is the one of the problem of the merge sort. Okay, so when we start merging the elements after splitting, after making a singleton sublist, then again what we are doing, merging by comparing the adjacent element. That is called backtracking. From again here we will say this as the backtracking process. Okay, this is about merge sort. Okay, now this is the logic. You compare with the example. Here when we compare with the example, in here we are taking variables start, mid, here we are taking array of elements, starting position. Okay, what we are doing, we are splitting. When we split that, for every sublist we need the middle element. Okay, suppose if this is our array. Okay, in this array what we are doing, first we are splitting. Okay, we are dividing into sublist. So what we need, we are two sublists. When we divide into two sublists, we need the middle element. Okay, so what I am doing, I was taking a middle element. If it is 0, this is first position, 0th position, first to 2, mid we will say. Again here, mid plus 1 to end. Okay, so when we are dividing into two sublists, we need three variables, first, mid and end. So again the second sublist starts from mid plus 1. If you see this sublist, okay, this contains 4, 0 to 3. Now this is first, this is end. Okay, now what is the mid here? 1. This is the mid. Mid plus 1 means this. Okay, so second sublist starts from mid plus 1 to end. First list starts from 0 to mid. Okay, that's why we need the variables. Okay, now here first I am storing the positions. By using these variables, I was storing the position of the arrays. That means sublist. Okay, to store the position of the sublist, I was taking these variables. Next, in this is the when we divide into first sublist. Okay, mid plus 1 means it is dividing to two sublists. When mid is when we get the mid value, then we can say mid plus 1 means second sublist. Okay, now this is used to check the first part of the list and second part of the list and compare the elements. That means store the first list into temporary. These are used to store the elements from the list, original list, into the temporary list, then again merging, again comparing, again store in the temporary array. Okay, Now finally after comparison we'll store them in the final original sorted. Okay, sorted list. Okay, this is called merge sort logic or program. Okay.